What is FODMAP? Not many people know what FODMAP means. It is an important topic focusing on the food and digestion. If you are struggling with bloating, stomach pain, or other gut issues, if you've never heard of FODMAPs before, stick around because understanding this could help you unlock the secret to a healthier, happier gut. Let's get started. So, what exactly are FODMAPs? The term stands for Fermentable Oligosaccharides, Disaccharides, Monosaccharides, and Polyols. In short, these are certain types of carbohydrates that are notorious for causing digestive issues in some people, especially those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other gut sensitivities. Let's break it down a bit more. Each of these FODMAP groups is a type of sugar that, for many, can be hard to digest. Oligosaccharides are found in things like wheat, garlic, and onions. Disaccharides, which include lactose, are found in dairy products. Monosaccharides include excess fructose, which is found in fruits like apples and honey. Polyols are sugar alcohols found in foods like stone fruits and artificial sweeteners. Now, not everyone has issues digesting FODMAPs, but for people with sensitive guts, these sugars can cause fermentation in the intestines, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, abdominal pain, diarrhea, or constipation. And let's be real, if you're someone who suffers from these, it can seriously impact your quality of life. The good news is, following a low FODMAP diet has been shown to help a lot of people manage these symptoms. This isn't about eliminating all these foods forever, but rather learning which FODMAPs specifically trigger your symptoms. So, how do you get started? First, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian who's familiar with the low FODMAP diet. They'll guide you through an elimination phase where you temporarily cut out high FODMAP foods. After that, you'll reintroduce them one at a time to figure out which ones trigger your symptoms. For example, instead of apples, try bananas. Swap out milk for almond milk. Avoid onions and use the green parts of scallions instead. The key thing to remember is that this diet isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. By understanding what FODMAPs are and how they affect your body, you can take control of your gut health. And for many people, it's the difference between constant discomfort and feeling good in their own body. So if you're dealing with digestive issues and haven't yet explored the low FODMAP diet, it might be time to give it a try. Remember, a happier gut leads to a happier you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions about the low FODMAP diet or gut health. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.